room redecorating, and I'm about to put wallpaper on this wall. It's kind of gross, so let's see what it's gonna look like. Thank you. It looks ugly right here. What's going on? Oh. Wait 48 hours.
Can I do next one?
Huh?
I do next one.
I'm gonna do the tops. You can do the bottoms. Okay.
That's all they gave you?
What?
This one?
About 3.
This is gonna fill this whole wall up?
Huh?
This whole wall up?
Yep, it's gonna fill the whole wall. I didn't look at it, all that's all black now. You holding it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, you can stop holding it. Let me line it up.
Yep.
Alright, never mind. Hold it again. I don't know where to put it. Okay. Okay, scraper tool. Nuh-uh, scraper. I mean, smoother. Okay. Yeah. I'm so weak. That was some non-verbal communication right there. I just made noises. Okay, not bad, not bad. We getting somewhere.
Hi, yes, that's my first word. It's the first time using that word. Now I can get my words straight.
Professional.
Yes.
I'm liking what we doing here. Yes. Look at us. Ooh. What you kept? Okay, you had them curtains for years when Batman used to sit in them, so what's the problem? I'm confused. I'm confuzzled. Confuzzled.
Are you very confused or just a little confused?
I'm very confused. It's 9:04 right now. Kind of uneven.
Try about 3.
Which one? This one? I have to say much.
That would do.
My gosh, Chloe, you might be right there.
I know. I guess. Because you fixed it.
Okay, ma'am. So I bought these shelves on Amazon, and they're by Green Co, and it just has 3 different sizes, and I'm going to put these on the wall. I ended up buying my own drywall mount screws to install them, so I'm just putting in the drywall screws, and then I'm going to put the shelf on the wall. This was really easy to do. It didn't really require too much knowledge, but again, I purchased my own screws because a lot of the Amazon reviews said that don't use the ones that it came with, so I did that, and they were $2.59 at the hardware store. I'm sorry this footage is kind of like really shaky. My camera woman didn't know how to hold a camera, and I was not aware, so I tried to slow the footage down so y'all wouldn't experience motion sickness because it was really bad. But lo and behold, these were really easy to install, and I really like them. So I had just put a couple products, like everyday things, on there. Munt said this looks like a medicine cabinet, and I'm just like, ma'am, I'm not putting my good stuff in the bathroom. So I just added a little decor from Walgreens. I bought some more shelves. They were delivered yesterday. before it stormed really bad. But these are different than the ones over. These are the other ones. As you can see, they're like the floating shelf kind. But these are also in the white color. Like they look the same as far as design wise, but these are interlocking. To start building my shelves, I have the instructions right here, and it tells you A goes to B and A also goes to C. So with that being said, you have to, they come like this. So this one says A, this one says B, and they go into each other like this. So you should have something like that. So which one is this one? A to C, same process. So the only thing is that you have to make sure this will be set up like this. So both of the A to C's go together and they should make like a box with the little screws. So now it came with some little screws and things, but when I get to the drywall part, I'm gonna use my own. So it just said to use a couple of screws and to like get it together. Got my screwdriver. And I'm just gonna screw it in. It said to use the screw covers, so these little white things. And boom, just cover it up. Boom, just cover it up. And I'm just gonna repeat this process over and over again with the short screws. Okay, I have built these two parts of the shelf, and you can notice that they have 4 little wall placements on them, but you only need 2 of these to be actually used to hang the screws. Okay, it comes with 4 of these long screws and the drywall mounts, but the thing is, a lot of the reviews said to use your own. Now you can choose to use these. You may have no issues with them, but these are what they look like. Now me, I prefer to use the ones from the hardware store. I did it on my other green coat shelf and it worked perfectly fine. These are amazing. I only paid $2.59 for them. They can hold up to 50 pounds and they work really well. It comes with 6 in here, so you get 6 of the drywall mounts and 6 of the screws. I'm gonna use these and I'm gonna save these that it came with for another day. But just to compare, this is the one that I bought from the hardware store, and this is the one it came with. So I trust this more than this one. Okay, let's figure out how I want to position them. Oh no. I want it to go something like this, and then so I want it to go like that. Go about here. Gonna mark it at the inch and a 5.5 inches. Now I need to level it. So let's level 2 marks. I leveled it with my iPhone, and just gonna start pushing the drywall in, well, the mount into the wall, and you just twirl it around. I just put one in, as you can see, had an issue. There's like something hard there. Like it's hollow here. It's some structure or something right there. So I tried to line it up where this would be covered. So this is the next one, and you just kind of file them into the wall, and it shouldn't be that hard. I mean, boom, you get it really flush, and they don't look bad. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Okay. Basically covers. Okay, so I just took some curtains down. Look at those. I bought these at home for $4.98. They're on sale. I wanted 4 of them, but I bought 2. So they just look like this. They're gray. Y'all know I love me some pink, gold, and gray. So just gonna line them up. So the curtains actually did not work in this space, so I switched my closet curtains so more light comes in the morning time. But the reason why I have curtains here is because my dresser for the space I have it in is way too long, so I had to take my closet door off, and a viable option for me was to put the curtains up there so I can still be functional. Okay everyone, we're in my room. We're looking at the back wall. I have a pretty small room. So just wanted to show y'all all the updates and projects in like a full circle. Okay, we're not gonna worry about what's over here. We're gonna skip right here. So this is the mirror that I bought while I was in college, and we got the mirror. I have not decorated these shelves yet. I want to put live plants on them, so there's really nothing there, but that's the whole wallpaper wall. It looks really good. The instructions actually said wait 48 hours to let the paper acclimate to the climate that it was going to be in. I didn't do that, but nothing has peeled or lifted. It's been up for, I suppose, a week. I put this up, I think, the 16th. And yeah, I got this mirror there. It may be a little crooked, I don't know. Anyway, I have the chair that I made. There's a whole video on that. It's holding up nicely. I brush it from time to time. And then here's just my bed. Lots of same pillows on it. And then I put the other shelf, like this one right there. We have the white curtains, which I want to add more of them on there. So yeah, I want to add more curtains so it'll be fuller, or maybe put some more white ones behind it. I like the way the light comes in, but it's a little still too much light because these are so sheer that a lot of light still escapes in the morning. So then we have the other shelves right here. Excuse my tripod. But yeah, I really like these. I would have bought more of these, but they were sold out. So I did that one, but again, they're not decorated right now. Just have, you know, a little nightstand with stuff on it. The closet door situation, which we talked about. And it just really easy opens. Small closet, y'all, but I'm telling y'all, it's packed. And then I have like jeans and random clothes up there. Have a vitamin station here. I forget Batman. Batman is just lounging there on the carpet. Do you have anything to tell the people? Stay home and go to sleep, he says. He chilling. And that's really all that I have for you all. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Honestly, I'll probably get this question, when am I gonna like move out or start, you know, moving into an apartment or my own place. Honestly, I don't want to live in an apartment. I want to live in a house. So I will be stacking money to purchase my own home. I like the city that I live in, so this is the area that I can see myself and build like a family. So that's just me. But you know, I have some viable career options. Again, I'm still a little iffy on if I want to live out of state or not, but for the most part, I really would like to live where I am. And on that note, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. I know I have been the worst YouTuber, but I've been working from home as well, and I ain't got time to do nothing. Like, a half of it feels like I work more at the house than I did at my job. But at my computers all day, but I will try to film a lot more for you all. I know a lot of nail videos and stuff have been popular, so I did upload a video on how I did my nails, gel nails at home, so you can watch that video, and all the products are linked in the description. And yeah, so I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed it. Let me know what was your favorite part. And last but not least, subscribe and click that bell notification so you all will be notified when I do upload a video. So I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.